Hello everyone, my name is Trúc and now I will have you know about lovable art toys, and I will answer the question, why were everybody upset with this trend last year. So first, we need to know what is Labubu art. So Labubu is a collectible toy series from an Hong Kong artist, and his name is Kai Shen Long, and this is he, and and he has signed a contract with Pop Mart, and the series is famous through Pop Mart, a famous toy brand um, about blind balls and figures. Next, I will talk about the strategy and why it make everybody crazy about them. So first, I will talk about the collection psychology. So you know the fact that our brand hate leaving things unfinished or hate leaving things alone. For example, like you have played a game with your friend and you haven't finished it, but your mom called you to come home, and you think, wait a little bit, wait a minute, um, I'm go I'm going to done it. So that is completion psychology, and this also happens when you buy blind boxes. For example, like you buy the first blind box and you got a figures, and then you think you they also need a friend, so you buy another, and it's repeat, and it's become a cycle, and it's repeat all the time. When you complete this series, then you buy another series, and it's become a mission. And also Pop Mart know about it, so they release endless series. Now, next I will talk about the dopamine machine. So the supply box is actually the instant addiction. Yeah, and this technique is similar to the slot machine, the machine in some casino. You know, when you unboxing or you do something surprise, you will your dopamine will become more higher, and you feel overexcited. You feel true about it, and it make you feel happy. And this is the cycle of unboxing to help you know about this mechanism triggers. So first, you buy the box, right, and then you choose to buy us, and you unbox it, and you hope that, yeah, maybe I will get the rare, the limited figures or my bias, and then you feel disappointed because you don't get the rare items, and you think maybe I will get the rare items the next time, and it's repeat all the time. Yeah, and now I will talk about the formal strategy. Formal strategies is happen everywhere in our life, and this strategy is very famous and popular in business, in companies. Yeah, you know what is the beginning of this trend. So that's it from Lisa. Yeah, on YouTube, she has an interview with Burns about liposuction from Pop and she said that she is crazy about it, and then um, it's become and Katy Perry or Dua Lipa also use them as accessories, so it's become famous. Dear fans see that items and they think they should have it, and also they want to become like their idols, so they become hunters and they begin to buy them. Yeah, and then Labubu become more rare to fight, and the price of them become more higher and higher. And now I, I will talk about the limited drops. You know that Walmart have a really great strategy that they create the necessaries, and when they create the necessaries, like they will create the urgency, and they have so, and now we need to know what is the limited drops. So limited drops is like, for example, like this mouse is only the birds only release about 5,000 to 10,000 of this type of mouse, and it's become the limited editions. And also it's make us feel, yeah, if we don't buy it now, we don't have the chance to buy it the other time, and then you feel that you need to buy it. Also, Walmart advertise the products from them, like they will have the teasers like this, and they also and when a new series release, they are being treated like an event. Also, like Labubu, a famous iconic symbol of Pop Mart. They also have the festival in the Pop Mart Park. Yeah, and you know when yeah, as I say, when you that the limited edition will have you make the urgency, and is make you feel that you need to buy now. So the result of the Labubu trends is every consumer can wait for hours just to buy them, and they also and somebody also have bidden to just to buy the products that have no real value. Also, one another famous strategy from PopMart is the IP strategy. So what is IP? IP means intelligent properties that PopMart has created the word for like the film Toy Story. They will create the word that every figures, every toys have personality. They can act everything they want. They can go to work. They can walk in. They can play with each other. Also, I have a question for you. What do you think about this picture? How when you see them? Yeah, and the last strategy from from Labubu is the community effect. So the key point of this strategy is Pop Mart, the series will make collecting become socially, make it become a culture, make it become normal. Like they will create the world where customer and the toys begin. They can make friends with each other, and Walmart also encourage this technique by hosting the trading event of rare items from Labubu or another series of Walmart, and then when you go to TikTok or Instagram, you also see the hashtag or the a lot of video about unboxing these figures, and it's become the free advertising for Walmart. And this is the end of my part. Thank you so much for listening, and the next part is from Rosie.